It's time to take a new look at 3D printing. It's time to take a look at Obsidian. Obsidian is the first 3D printer of its kind. Its blend of style and performance, never seen before in the industry. Obsidian offers the reliability and print quality of machines 10 times its price. And all of this with a breathtaking design. Choose from a palette of colors and materials as unlimited as your ideas. Bring 3D printing into your creative process for the first time. Obsidian is a tool that brings your ideas into reality. Obsidian makes printing high-quality 3D models effortless. Our optimized user interface guides you. Just tap and print. Choose any major software to design your models, whether on your computer or in virtual reality. But you don't need to be a designer to get started. Thousands of creatives from around the world are sharing their models online for free. 3D printing is a movement. Join it. Obsidian's app lets you control your printer from anywhere. Keep an eye on your prints and adjust them even on the go. Obsidian's camera is made not only for live streaming, but also for time-lapse recording, so you can share your favorite prints on social media. Show friends your creations in motion. We think there is only one step between imagination and reality. Between holding an idea in your mind and seeing it materialize before your eyes. And we call this step Obsidian.
Hi, this is Migo, your portable internet-enabled 3D printer. Migo was born to change your view of 3D printing. Simple and portable. Just plug it in and play. We always keep the highest industrial standards in mind. Life will be simple and exquisite with Migo. That's not all. Migo goes beyond your imagination. As inventors, we worked hard to make Migo smaller than small, achieving the maximum volume to size ratio. In fact, Migo is so compact, there are no unnecessary parts. Yet it's more powerful than other 3D printers. Furthermore, the replaceable printer head can fuel all your creative needs. That's how Migo makes your life more colorful. Migo was born for your creativity. Designed with built-in apps, Migo is perfect for anyone. Migo changes the way you print, letting you print creatively, anytime, anywhere, effortlessly. Batch printing makes Migo more efficient than the competition. Multiple prints are just one click away, allowing you to instantly build your own printing factory. Amazing features make it the new standard in 3D printing. The printing process has never been so enjoyable. This is Migo, the fantastic future of quality, affordable 3D printing. Migo, best friend for life.
Introducing SparkMaker Full HD, the most affordable 1080p SLA 3D printer. Featuring better printing quality, faster printing speed, and larger building volume. And the most important thing is that we keep the Full HD version affordable, as always. Our approach to making affordable 3D printers has been proven in our first Kickstarter campaign. Now, we are back with the second generation of SparkMaker with 1080p high resolution. Thanks to the 1080p LCD screen, SparkMaker Full HD can achieve a resolution of 57 micrometers in XY axes and 25 micrometers in the Z axes, giving you more flexibility and freedom for jewelry, dental, or prototype designs. SparkMaker Full HD keeps the SD card slot so that you can easily print offline. To make printing more convenient, we developed an app to control the printer through your smartphone. Simply select the STL file in the app, and you can start printing wirelessly right away. We are also launching 4 additional types of resin, so you can have more options for your printings. It has been a great journey since we first launched on Kickstarter last year. We have met many very experienced 3D print fans and grew together. We appreciate all the help you guys bring us. Now, it is time to start a new journey, and let's make SparkMaker FHD together.
Hello, my name is Anders, and I'm the creator of this 3D printable engine model. If you're not familiar with this kind of engine, it's a 2-stroke crosshead diesel engine, and it's what powers the biggest ships of the world. The reason for designing this engine is that I wanted to create a project that would appeal to gearheads and 3D printing enthusiasts alike. Being a marine engineer, I've always been fascinated by the sheer size and complexity of these engines, because they're not only a big 3D print, they are big in the real world as well. In my former job, I actually worked on an engine like this, only it was 14-cylinder. That engine was, and still is, the most powerful diesel engine in the world, producing up to 110,000 horsepower. I've used all my knowledge on these engines and all my modeling skills to create this 3D printable engine model that you can create on your FDM printer at home. The model is equipped with a small electric motor, similar to how the mechanical components interact in a real engine. It also has an overload coupling, which eliminates the risk of getting hurt or breaking the model if the rotating parts are blocked during operation. For backers of this project, there are 3 different options. The first option is STL files only, where you can only receive the STL files and the part list for the engine. The second option is that you get the STL files and a light part kit, which contains all the inconvenient parts and all the special parts that might be hard for you to source yourself. The third option is the large part kit, which contains all the parts you need to build the engine. For a more detailed description on what different options contain, we've made a small overview in the description. So if you like big 3D prints, or learning about machines or engines, or just looking for a new challenge for your 3D printer, then this could be a project for you.